Now let's look at question number 4 for Physics WAEC 2018. The property of a body to remain at rest or to continue in a uniform motion in a straight line is called A. Momentum, B. Inertia, C. Impulse, D. Energy. So what is that property of a body that makes it to want to remain in a state of rest if it is resting, or to continue in a uniform motion in a straight line when it's moving? What is that property? We all know that this property is inertia because that's the definition of inertia. But I will also explain the other options. So let's take the definition of inertia first. Inertia is that very property of a body that makes it to do what? To remain at rest or to continue in a uniform motion in a what? Straight line, rectilinear motion in a straight line. So that is what inertia is. Now let's look at other things like energy. Why did we say the answer is not energy? Energy is simply the what? Ability or capacity to do work. Ability of a body or its capacity to do work, and it's actually force taken through a distance. Now what is impulse? Impulse is the force, the impact of a force at a particular time or for a number of times. That's force times time. That's what impulse is. And momentum, what is the meaning of momentum? Momentum is simply the product of mass times what? Product of mass and velocity. So you see that none of these three is this, but inertia is this actually the definition of inertia, and that's why inertia is the right option for this problem.